So list 4 advantages of properly managed watershed management. So a watershed management is a study of the relevant characteristics of a watershed aimed at the sustainable distribution of its resources and the process of creating and implementing plans, programs and projects to sustain and enhance watershed functions that affect the plant, animal and human communities within the watershed boundary. Some of its advantages are: it mitigates drought and floods. It increases the life of the dams and reservoirs downstream. It increases the biomass production and thereby the income of the watershed community. And lastly, it helps in maintaining ecological balance by scientific conservation of soil and water or any other.